Welcome to the future of software development. In 2025, AI extensions for Visual Studio Code have completely transformed how developers write, test, and manage code. Gone are the days when AI simply offered basic auto-completion. Now, you can chat with intelligent assistants, generate tests, edit multiple files at once, and even run complex commands using natural language prompts. These innovations are not just about saving time, they're about fundamentally changing the way we approach coding. In this video, we'll explore the most powerful and innovative AI extensions available for VS Code this year and show you how they can supercharge your workflow. Let's dive in and discover what's possible. First up is Gemini Code Assist, Google's flagship AI extension for VS Code. What sets Gemini apart is its deep integration with Google's ecosystem and its impressive documentation awareness. When you ask Gemini for help, it not only provides answers, but also cites the exact documentation sources it references. This transparency is invaluable for developers who want to understand the why behind every suggestion. Gemini can review your code, generate unit tests, and even help debug tricky issues. It works seamlessly across both application code and infrastructure, making it a top choice for those invested in Google Cloud, Firebase, or Android development. Gemini Code Assist isn't just about answering questions. It's designed to be your coding partner. With its ability to perform code reviews, generate comprehensive unit tests, and assist with debugging, Gemini ensures your code is both robust and reliable. Its unique strength lies in its documentation awareness. Every answer comes with citations, so you always know where the information is coming from. Whether you're managing app code or infrastructure like Terraform and G-Cloud CLI, Gemini adapts to your workflow. If you value transparency and are deeply integrated with Google's ecosystem, Gemini is a must-have extension for your toolkit. Next, let's talk about GitHub Copilot, the classic AI coding assistant that's evolved far beyond simple inline suggestions. With the main Copilot extension and Copilot Chat, you now have a fully integrated AI agent inside VS Code. Copilot's agent and edit modes allow it to implement tasks across your files and iterate until your code works perfectly. Its Next Edit Suggestions feature predicts your next likely change and can propose it automatically, making your workflow smoother than ever. Workspace-aware chat lets you ask questions about your codebase, apply edits inline, or run commands for instant refactoring. What makes Copilot truly stand out is its deep integration with VS Code. The extension doesn't just suggest code, it can actually implement changes, refactor code, and answer questions about your entire codebase. With Copilot Chat, you can interact with your project in natural language, making complex edits or running commands without ever leaving your editor. This seamless experience is perfect for developers who want a polished, reliable AI assistant that just works. If you're looking for an AI tool that feels like a natural extension of VS Code, Copilot is hard to beat. For developers and teams who prioritize privacy, Tabnine is a game changer. Unlike many AI assistants, Tabnine can run self-hosted or within your own VPC, ensuring your proprietary code never leaves your environment. Enterprises can even train Tabnine on their own codebases, creating custom models tailored to their unique needs. Tabnine is fast, versatile, and supports code generation, explanation, and refactoring across a wide range of languages. If you're working with sensitive data or have strict data policies, Tabnine offers the control and security you need without sacrificing AI-powered productivity. Tabnine isn't just about privacy, it's also about flexibility. With the ability to generate, explain, and refactor code and tests, Tabnine adapts to your workflow, no matter which language or framework you use. Its privacy-first approach means it never trains on your code unless you want it to, making it ideal for enterprises and teams with strict compliance requirements. Whether you're working solo or as part of a large organization, Tabnine gives you the power of AI without compromising your data security. Amazon Q for VS Code brings AWS's vision of an agentic coding assistant to life. With Amazon Q, you can read files, generate diffs, and run commands all from natural language prompts. Its multi-step agent mode can write code, documentation, and tests while keeping you updated on its progress. Thanks to MCP support, you can plug in extra tools and context to extend its capabilities. Amazon Q's inline chat and suggestions feel native to VS Code, making it a powerful choice for developers working in AWS environments who want more than just autocomplete. Windsurf plugin formerly known as Codeium, has evolved into a full-featured AI coding assistant for VS Code. It's known for its lightning-fast completions and integrated chat, all available with a generous free tier. Windsurf offers unlimited free, single, and multi-line completions right out of the box, making it accessible for everyone. The plugin also links with the standalone Windsurf editor for even more advanced features. If you want a fast, no-hassle AI coding experience, Windsurf plugin is an excellent choice. What makes Windsurf plugin stand out is its combination of speed and accessibility. You get unlimited free completions, both single and multi-line, without any setup hassles. The integrated chat feature helps with refactoring, explaining, or translating code, and you can unlock even more features by connecting with the standalone Windsurf editor. For developers who want to try AI-powered coding without any cost barriers, Windsurf is a fantastic starting point. Blackbox AI is one of the most popular AI coding agents in the VS Code marketplace. It's designed to keep you in flow, helping with code, documentation, and debugging without interrupting your work. Blackbox offers an agent-style workflow, allowing you to run commands, select files, switch models, and even connect to MCP servers for extra tools. Its real-time code assistance feels native to VS Code, and it understands your entire project, not just a single file. Quick to install and easy to use, Blackbox AI is perfect for developers who want a free, powerful AI agent inside their editor. With so many powerful AI extensions available, how do you choose the right one for your needs? It all comes down to your workflow and priorities. If you need deep integration and agent-like features, GitHub Copilot, Amazon Q, or Blackbox AI are excellent options. For documentation-aware answers with citations, Gemini Code Assist is unmatched. If privacy and custom models are your top concerns, Tabnine is the way to go. And if you want a fast, free experience, Windsurf plugin is your best bet. Consider your tech stack, your data policies, and the kind of coding experience you want. Let's break it down by area of strength. For deep integration and agent-like features, GitHub Copilot, Amazon Q, and Blackbox AI lead the pack. If you need answers with documentation citations, Gemini Code Assist is the top choice. For strict privacy and the ability to use custom models, Tabnine stands out. And for those who want to try AI coding with no cost barrier, Windsurf plugin is the go-to option. Matching the right tool to your workflow can make all the difference in productivity and code quality. If you're unsure where to start, pick one extension and try it on a real project. See how it fits your workflow and whether it helps you ship code faster without getting in your way. The best AI coding tool is the one that actually boosts your productivity and adapts to your needs. Don't be afraid to experiment. Each of these extensions offers unique strengths, and finding the right fit can transform your development experience. Want to take your coding skills even further? Consider attending Live 360 TechCon in Orlando this November. The conference offers practical strategies for modern development, covering everything from software architecture and DevOps to AI, cloud, and security. With sessions designed to help you write better, safer code, it's a great opportunity to learn from industry experts and network with fellow developers. Plus, there's a special offer to save $500 off standard pricing with code coding. Don't miss out on the chance to level up your skills and stay ahead in the fast-evolving world of AI-powered development.